Wherever you work, food safety is always important. You need to protect others from harm, and you need to protect yourself and your business. In all sectors of the food industry, from manufacturing and processing to preparing, delivering, packing and serving, food safety knowledge and skills are essential to the safe delivery of a product to a consumer. They are also mandatory. Let's face it, no one likes food poisoning. It can kill people and businesses. This program is about implementing food safety practices in the workplace. We'll explore the reasons for a food safety program, getting ready for work, food preparation, serving food and cleaning up, all using a food safety program. We'll also take a look at a day in the life of catering company Compass Group at 3 of their different facilities: The Age newspaper, the Corana Baptist Care Centre and IBM.